So hello guys, welcome back. Welcome to Certified Ethical Work. So today we'll be doing the shell tax. That's this number 7. It is a good file that cuts iron without making a noise. That's deep. Alright, so the instruction is to write a shell script that creates a file named exactly this, then containing the text best school ending by a new line. So you write it into our file 7 dash 5. Okay, so let's go into webterm and vi into our file. So your I to write into it, then your compulsory words in the file, and then bash, then you enter. So um so this now you have to use the echo command. So you are going to write this into this into this. So I'll be writing echo. Written my echo. So I'm going to use the quotation mark, open quotation mark, and put then you close the quotation mark. Then you're greater than. I copy this so I won't make mistakes. So I'm going to be pasting. Yeah. Okay. So that's all for that. Then I'm going to use my escape and WQ enter. So all I just need to do is sorry um, to copy and make my file executable. So chmod ux, the name of your file. So ILS again to confirm that it is fine. So I'm just going to add git commit and message. So this just need to let you know that it is not, because you see all this, not a is not a problem though. So it's not as hard as it looks. So then git push. That is all. You check your code. Okay. So we're having some failed tests here. So let's check and look and see what's going on. So let me vi into our file again and see what we have there. Oh, sorry. Let me copy it. Okay. vi okay. So everywhere I see this, so that means I'm just going to add this backslash extra to just make sure my So I'll use I to edit. So I come here. So I'm going to be making sure that this backslash is 3 instead of 1. Okay. So I'll make this one 4. Okay. Okay. So let me quickly delete this and get it again. All right. Just trying to confirm again. Okay. So you escape. You escape again. Colon WQ to create. Okay. So let me get add again. I'm committing again. So and I'm going to push. Check our file. Check our code rather. Oh, great. So it is fine now. Please make sure you check the code well. I just did some modifications personally and it's worked. All right. Thank you for watching. Thank you for learning. See you in the next class.